In every corner of this green and blue world, from the deepest, most humid rainforests to the quiet ponds in your own backyard, a remarkable story is unfolding. It is a story told not in words, but in a chorus of croaks, clicks, and whistles. This is the story of the frogs of the world, an ancient lineage of amphibians that has witnessed the rise and fall of dinosaurs and the dawn of humanity. I have sculpted them over millennia, crafting a breathtaking diversity of forms, colors, and behaviors, each one a unique solution to the puzzle of survival. They are a testament to the sheer unbridled creativity inherent in the natural world. Their adaptations are as varied as the landscapes they inhabit. Some wear coats of brilliant, dazzling color, as a stark warning to predators, while others possess a skin so translucent that one can peer directly into their inner workings, a living window into their very being. There are giants that could cover a dinner plate and tiny jewel-like creatures no bigger than a thumbnail. From the way they hunt to the extraordinary methods they employ to raise their young, frogs demonstrate an incredible range of strategies. This journey will take us across the globe to meet just a few of the more than 7,000 species I have brought into existence, each a master of its own realm. Join me as we explore these fascinating creatures. We will witness their struggles, their triumphs, and the delicate balance they maintain within their ecosystems. From the misty canopy of the Amazon to the arid landscapes of Australia, we will uncover the secret lives of these often overlooked yet vitally important inhabitants of our planet. Their collective voice is a barometer for the health of our world, and it is a voice that we must listen to with great care and attention. Let us begin our riveting journey into the vibrant and varied world of frogs. High in the canopy of the Amazon rainforest, where the air is thick with moisture and the leaves form a dense green ceiling, lives a creature of ethereal beauty. This is the Amazon milk frog. Its skin, a delicate modeling of pale, milky blue and bold, dark bands, provides a remarkable camouflage against the lichen-covered bark of the trees it calls home. It is a nocturnal hunter, emerging under the cloak of darkness with large golden eyes that grant it exceptional vision. Its long, slender limbs and specialized toe pads, sticky like adhesive, allow it to move with a slow, deliberate grace, scaling vertical surfaces with an ease that really just defies gravity. It is a life lived far from the forest floor, a world of dizzying heights and dappled moonlight. I have given this frog a unique defense. When threatened, it secretes a milky white substance from its skin. This fluid is not just for show. It is sticky and poisonous, a potent deterrent to would-be predators like snakes or large spiders that share its arboreal home. It spends its days resting in the water that collects in the hollows of trees and the hearts of bromeliads, small, private pools suspended high above the ground. It is in these same tiny reservoirs that it lays its eggs, ensuring the next generation begins its life in the relative safety of the canopy, a world away from the dangers lurking in the waters below. In the leaf litter of Central and South American rainforests, a flash of brilliant color signals not beauty, but danger. This is the realm of the poison dart frog. I have painted these tiny amphibians in nature's most vivid warning colors: electric blues, fiery oranges, sunny yellows, and emerald greens. This striking appearance, known as aposematism, is a clear and honest advertisement to all who see it. I am poisonous. Do not eat me. Unlike most frogs that rely on camouflage to hide, the poison dart frog flaunts its presence, confident in the potent defense it carries within its skin. It is a bold strategy and a highly effective one. The toxins, powerful alkaloids, are not produced by the frog itself but are acquired from its diet of specific ants, mites, and other small invertebrates. This is a remarkable example of chemical sequestration, a collaboration between predator and prey. The frog consumes the toxic insects and accumulates their chemical defenses in its own skin glands, becoming a walking repository of poison. Indigenous peoples of the rainforest have long understood this power, carefully using the frog's secretions to tip their hunting blowgun darts, a practice that gives the frog its common name. It is a creature that embodies the intricate and often perilous connections within the web of life. In the fast-flowing rivers and waterfalls of Cameroon and Equatorial Guinea lives a true titan among amphibians. This is the Goliath frog, the largest frog species on our planet. It can grow to over a foot in length and weigh more than a small domestic cat. Its sheer size is a marvel, a testament to the evolutionary possibilities within a specific resource-rich environment. Its skin is a granular, greenish-brown, providing excellent camouflage against the wet, mossy rocks of its riverine habitat. This is not a creature of delicate hops, but of powerful, muscular leaps, capable of covering great distances to catch prey or escape danger. The Goliath frog's life is inextricably linked to the rushing water. It is a powerful swimmer with fully webbed hind feet that act as strong paddles against the current. Its diet consists of insects, crustaceans, smaller frogs, and even small mammals or birds that venture too close to the water's edge. Perhaps most remarkably, these giants are dedicated parents. The males are known to construct nests, semicircular pools cleared of debris and rocks along the riverbanks. This requires immense strength as they move stones weighing up to half their own body weight. It is a colossal effort to provide a safe, calm haven for their young to begin life. Peer closely into the humid cloud forests of Central and South America, and you may see something extraordinary. Perched delicately on the underside of a broad leaf sits the glass frog. At first glance, it appears to be a simple lime-green amphibian, but look from below and you will witness a biological wonder. The skin on its belly is completely transparent. Through this living window, you can see its internal organs with astonishing clarity. The beating red heart, the silvery liver, the winding intestines, and even the developing eggs within a gravid female. This is a level of exposure unlike almost any other vertebrate. This transparency is a unique form of camouflage. When the frog presses its body flat against a leaf, the green of its back blends with the foliage, while its transparent underside allows the light to filter through, blurring its outline and making it incredibly difficult for predators below, like snakes, to spot its silhouette against the bright sky. During the day, it sleeps soundly on these leaves, often directly above a stream. At night, the male will call out to attract a mate, and once the eggs are laid on the leaf, he will stand guard, protecting them fiercely, until the tadpoles are ready to hatch and drop into the water below. In the slow-moving, murky waters of the Amazon basin lives one of my most peculiar creations, the Suriname toad. It looks almost prehistoric, a flattened, mottled brown creature that resembles a dead leaf, perfectly camouflaged on the riverbed. It has a triangular head, tiny, lidless eyes, and at the tips of its long fingers are strange, star-shaped appendages. These are not for grasping, but are packed with sensitive nerve endings, allowing the toad to detect the faintest vibrations of worms and crustaceans hidden in the mud. It forgoes a tongue, instead using its hands to stuff food into its wide mouth. But its appearance is not its most unusual feature. That is reserved for its method of reproduction, a process so strange it seems to defy belief. During a unique underwater courtship dance, the male fertilizes the eggs as the female releases them, and then carefully presses them onto her back. Over time, the skin of her back grows up and around each individual egg, creating a series of pockets, a honeycomb of flesh. The young do not hatch as tadpoles into the water. Instead, they complete their entire metamorphosis within the safety of their mother's back, emerging weeks later as fully formed, miniature versions of the adult, ready to face the world. Across the urban and forested landscapes of Australia and New Guinea, a familiar and often beloved character makes its presence known. This is the Australian green tree frog, also known as White's tree frog. With its plump, often placid demeanor and a skin that can change color from a bright leafy green to a dull olive brown depending on temperature and mood, it is a highly adaptable creature. It thrives not only in forests and wetlands, but also in suburban gardens, finding refuge in mailboxes, drain pipes, and outdoor toilets. Its friendly appearance and calm nature have made it one of the most popular pet frogs in the world. What it lacks in vibrant warning colors, it makes up for in volume. After a good rain, the males will begin their call, a loud, repetitive croak, croak, croak that can echo through the night. a chorus of contentment signaling the perfect conditions for breeding. They are voracious eaters with a notoriously large appetite, consuming insects, spiders, and even other smaller frogs. Their skin secretes a waxy coating which helps to prevent dehydration, a crucial adaptation for surviving in a country known for its dry spells. This frog is a survivor, a charismatic ambassador that bridges the gap between the wild and the human world. On the island of Madagascar, a biodiversity hotspot I have filled with unique and wonderful life forms, lives a frog that looks good enough to eat, but that would be a grave mistake. This is the tomato frog, named for its astonishingly bright, round, red-orange appearance, resembling a ripe tomato nestled in the leaf litter. This brilliant color is most pronounced in females. The males are typically a duller yellow-orange. They are largely terrestrial, spending much of their time burrowed into the soft earth or hiding in mud, waiting patiently for unsuspecting insects or worms to pass by. Their vibrant color serves as a warning, but they have a second, more direct line of defense. When a predator, such as a snake or a curious lemur, grabs a tomato frog, it inflates its body with air to make itself larger and more difficult to swallow. Simultaneously, it secretes a thick, white, glue-like substance from its skin. This goo is not lethally toxic, but it is incredibly sticky and irritating to the mucous membranes of the predator's mouth and eyes. This discomfort is usually enough to make the attacker release the frog and retreat, giving the Crimson Defender a chance to make its escape. Our journey has shown us but a handful of the thousands of faces I have given to the frogs of this world. From the giant Goliath frog of African rivers to the transparent glass frogs of the cloud forests and the strangely maternal Suriname toad, their diversity is a profound expression of life's endless ingenuity. Each species is a finely tuned instrument in the orchestra of its ecosystem. They are both predator and prey, controlling insect populations and providing a vital food source for countless other animals. Their permeable skin makes them incredibly sensitive to changes in their environment, acting as crucial bioindicators, living barometers for the health of our planet's freshwater and forest systems. Their chorus, once an unbroken symphony across the globe, is growing quieter. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and disease are pushing many of these remarkable creatures to the brink of silence. The disappearance of a frog species is not just the loss of a single creature, it is the unraveling of a thread in the intricate tapestry of life, a tapestry that supports us all. The fate of the Amazon milk frog is tied to the fate of its rainforest home, and the health of the Goliath frog is dependent on the purity of its rivers. Their story is inextricably linked to our own. I urge you to listen to their calls. Take a moment to appreciate these incredible amphibians, not just for their strange and wonderful forms, but for the critical role they play. Support organizations dedicated to conserving their habitats. Create frog-friendly spaces in your own communities. Learn more, care more, and act. The future of their chorus, and indeed the health of our world, depends on the choices we make today. Let us work to ensure that their ribbiting journey continues for millennia to come, a vibrant and vital song for future generations to hear.